How to use the new TikTok Q&A feature. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to activate it, you need to have a creator account first. Now, in order to get the creator account, we're going to go to the settings and then go to manage your account. Right here you can see switch to pro account. You want to click on that. Then select the creator account at the top. Select the category, click next, select your gender, then done. And now that you are a creator account, you should see the creator tools right here. If this doesn't show up, maybe you have to close your app and open it up again. It will show up here. Once you've clicked on that, you should see analytics and Q&A, and then simply click on Q&A, and right here click on turn on Q&A. And once you've turned it on, that's basically all you have to do. Now if you click on here, you should see all the questions you have gotten. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this quick video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.